Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we compare the best products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving deep into the world of 3D printing with two heavyweights, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo and the Creality Ender-3 V3. Buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes us all cry tears of joy or sorrow, the price. The Kobra 2 Neo is rocking a price tag of $239. Not too shabby for what it offers. On the other hand, we have the Ender-3 V3 at $299. Some reviewers feel that the higher price tag of the Ender-3 V3 is justified by its advanced features and build quality, while others think the Kobra 2 Neo offers better value for money. Speed demons, this one's for you. The Kobra 2 Neo promises a max print speed of 250 millimeters per second, with a recommended speed of 150 millimeters per second. Fast enough to print your dreams before you even finish your coffee. But wait, the Ender-3 V3 claims a whopping 500 millimeters per second with 8,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. Reviewers have praised the Ender-3 V3 for its impressive speed, but some have also mentioned occasional stability issues at high speeds. Now, let's talk about the hot stuff, literally. The Kobra 2 Neo comes with a new integrated extruder and a 60W hot end, with a turbocharged 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. It's like the Ferrari of extruders, fast and furious. On the other hand, the Ender-3 V3 brings a high-configuration Sprite Direct extruder, a 60W ceramic heater, and a bi-metal heat break. Reviewers love the Ender-3 V3 for its versatility with different filaments, though some have faced initial setup challenges. Because no one likes wobbly prints, right? The Kobra 2 Neo uses linear propulsion and input shaping functions to reduce spillage and print resonance, ensuring your prints look smoother than a fresh jar of Skippy. However, the Ender-3 V3 boasts an ultra-smooth and stable motion with precision-engineered components and upgraded X-axis carriage slides with ball bearings. Reviewers have noted that while both printers offer excellent print quality, the Ender-3 V3 sometimes struggles with infill patterns. Let's not forget about the user experience, because we all know the struggle of wanting to throw our printers out the window. The Kobra 2 Neo comes with LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling and AZ-axis offset that compensates for your every need. Perfect for novices and pros alike. Meanwhile, the Ender-3 V3 brings a CR touch sensor for auto leveling, phone control, Wi-Fi, USB drive, filament shift sensor, and power failure recovery. Reviewers appreciate the Ender-3 V3's feature set, but have mentioned that it can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. And finally, let's talk customer service. Because who doesn't love waiting on hold for hours? Anycubic offers a 1-year after-service with specific warranties for the print head and heated bed, plus lifetime technical support. Reviewers have praised Anycubic for their responsive customer service. Creality, on the other hand, provides a 12-month and 24-hour after-sales service. However, some reviewers have reported mixed experiences with Creality's support, with a few facing unhelpful responses. Both the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo and the Creality Ender-3 V3 have received a mix of reviews. The Kobra 2 Neo is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and stable prints, but some users have faced connectivity and setup issues. On the other hand, the Ender-3 V3 is lauded for its speed, versatility, and feature-rich experience, though a few users have reported inconsistent performance and customer service. There you have it, folks. the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo and the Creality Ender-3 V3. Both are incredible machines, but which one will you choose? Are you Team Kobra or Team Ender? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Until next time, keep printing smart. Product links are in the description.